Previously on Desperate Housewives.
Clap, clap. Uh-oh. Shit.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Well, that sucks. Clap, clap. 1, 2. Fuck. Again? This is a terrible battery, Jesus Christ. Well, I guess I'm not taking the CBR today. Started up yesterday. I'm like, I'm gonna get to ride the CBR today. Nope. Nope.
No.
No, not today. You're going for the FZ07. Not complaining. Effortless. Good bike.